क्या तारीख है आज? 19th of July. This is the proudest moment in OCA history because the first in-house cadet Jewel Uttekar got recommended for Air Force from Banarasi SSB board. That's good. Why I want to use the first in-house cadet? Earlier, number of cadets joined as an officers. Number of, I think so more than 70 cadets are in the capacity of officers. In-house cadet का मतलब है from the day one he joined the OCA and till today he throughout and consistent became the cadet of OCA. He followed the full giving schedule. 11th, 12th, after 12th एक भी दिन उसने मिस नहीं किया है. The day he got leave, he gone on leave. The day he had to report, he reported back. The day he reported for SSB, he reported for SSB. Everything he followed systematically, and his dream was to become a fighter pilot. And today, the first step to becoming a fighter pilot he achieved by getting the recommendation. So बच्चों, it's a really great moment for all of us because he was among you only and sincerely and consistently he followed the given schedule. It's a lesson, it's a motivation, it's a guidance for all of you who are sitting here. I repeat, it's a guidance, motivation for all of you to crack, to achieve, to fulfill your dream. He was a medium academic cadet. Further, your faculty will tell more about him. He was not a talented cadet, especially in the academics. He was a medium. Initially, he was very afraid of math. But slowly, he picked up all the things and he overcome his shortcomings, and in his first attempt, he got recommendation. So, bachcho, nothing is impossible. The word impossible itself says, I am possible. And it can be for all the cadets who are sitting over here. All means all. The only thing is that you must clear your vision, clear your dream. And you know, to becoming a commission officer at the age of just 18 years. After 4 years, he will put stripes or stars on his soldiers. And do you know the payment of a commissioned officer? It is more than 100 rupees from an IAS officer. जो IAS ऑफिसर्स होते हैं उनसे भी 100 रुपीज उनकी बेसिक पेमेंट ज्यादा होती है, बिकॉज टू मेंटेन द स्टेटस ऑफ एन कमीशन्ड ऑफिसर. सो बच्चों, दिस इज द टाइम फॉर यू नाउ टू फोकस योर सेल्फ. इफ यू हैव अ फोकस्ड गोल इन योर माइंड, certainly you are going to achieve your dream. देखो आरती भी स्टार्ट हो गई है. मीन्स भगवान भी बोल रहा है कि एवरीथिंग यू कैन अचीव. सो थैंक यू, रियली आई एम हैप्पी टुडे. नाउ आई विल हैंड ओवर माइक टू सुधांशु, सूर्यांशु, सुमित, अभिषेक और कल स्नेहा मैडम आएंगी, वो और बताएंगी आपको. जयवल का पापा आज तक वापस नहीं आया. द फर्स्ट डे ही लेफ्ट हिम एंड 2022 और अभी तक 3 साल हो गए, एक भी दिन एकेडमी में आए नहीं. एक बार या 2 बार उसकी मम्मी आई थी सिर्फ, और उसके पापा ने बोला था उस दिन स्नेहा मैडम कल बताएंगे आपको अच्छे से. द डे माई जेवल will get recommended, that day I will come. And now proudly he will come on coming 26th July. Thank you so much. Now Sudhanshu.